So one of the problems that people tend to have in this particular section is with word problems, and just simply translating the words into a type of equation that can be solved very easily. This is one of those. But let's go through the steps just to make sure that we understand. Let's translate this sentence into an equation, and then let's solve the equation. It says the sum of 7 times a number and 3 is the opposite of 18. Well, a lot going on right here, but let's see what we can translate. First things first, we almost read this thing left from right to left rather than left to right. If you're a mathematician, you should make a habit of that. So if we say the opposite of 18, what is the opposite of 18? Well, we know that the word opposite in algebra means that we simply change the sign of the number. The opposite of 18 would be negative 18. By the way, the opposite of negative 18 is positive 18. So the negative 18 is the opposite of 18. Now when we say the word is in math-ese, in algebra-ese, we translate that as equals. All right, and 3. Whenever we see the words and 3, 7 times the number and 3, that and 3 tends to turn into a plus 3, right? We're adding, it says the sum, right? There's a nice keyword to tell you that we're taking sum of something and something, so it's 3. What are we adding? Well, of course, it says 7 times a number. In algebra-ese, a number, the words a number always translates into an x, and we're taking 7 times that number, so in fact we've got 7 times x plus 3 equals negative 18. Well, there's a nice equation that we'll probably have no trouble solving at all, but we're going to go through here. Let's run through the steps. If we subtract 3 from both sides, what happens? We get 7x on the left. Negative 18 minus 3, well, 18 and 3 would be 21, so this is going to be negative 21. So now we divide both sides by 7, divide by 7. We get x equals negative 3 is the number for which 7 times that number and 3 would be the opposite of 18. That's what we were after, and so we're done.